¿Te gusta?
Good. Isn't my Nana so stinking cute? All right, let's get into it. Get your Rhodes rolls. You're going to defrost those. And then here are all the ingredients. I will leave these all in the captions for you, but you're going to get 2 bowls. One bowl will be for your sugars and cinnamon. Add those together, mix, combine, set aside. Grab a second bowl and you're going to get your butter and you're going to melt that in the microwave real quick. Set that aside. Get your Rhodes rolls, get some clear kitchen shears, and you're going to quarter those all up. Once they're quartered, dunk them in your butter. Second, you will drudge them through the sugar mixture, and then you're going to add those all to your lightly buttered bundt pan. I have a great bundt pan that does not need to be buttered. Love it. So once it's all done, you're going to bake for 15 minutes uncovered. Second round, you'll cover with tin foil, then bake for an additional 20 minutes. Then you will take the lid off and then bake for a good 5 to 10 minutes so that you can get it nice and brown. But turn up the volume. You hear that beautiful bubbly noise? Here's the finished product. I couldn't help myself, but I accidentally ate a couple bites before I took it to my grandma's house. It is her birthday, but I hope you guys enjoy. I know she did.
A los monos les gustan mucho las cosas.